is How-Tos with Aaron. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to build some wooden shelves in a closet. And so here they are, semi in progress. And so let's take a look at my support. I've just got a block under here and I just nailed it to the studs with a trim nailer. And I'm just putting a board right on top. You can see where I've got these joint together. I wanted to make my shelves a little deeper. So I used a Kreg jig to get these holes drilled into the side, a little pocket jig. You can buy them at Lowe's. And just going to put some wood glue on it and get it screwed right on. Just like that. And then boom, the shelf will be a little wider to be deeper for this closet. Little caulk and wood filler paint. And here we go. Not too bad and not too hard. That's how I do it, and that's how you can do it. Don't forget to check out my channel for other cool videos about how to do other cool things, and be blessed.